All right, welcome back everyone, and thanks for watching my channel for day trading of cryptocurrencies. Just once again, nothing on any of these videos should ever be used for financial or trading advice. Basically, just a monkey at a keyboard, just trying to make things happen. So if you remember from yesterday, we looked at the XTZ and we held on to that one. And we switched out of the other two that we had, moved into the Link and the OXT. We were hoping these had a little bit more potential than the other two that we were holding on to. Not sure what's going to happen here, so let's jump over and take a look at our Coinbase portfolio. So it looks like right now we're sitting at about 78. So that's down just a little bit from when we ended yesterday. Not looking too great. So let's look at our couple coins, and not a lot of movement on the Chainlink or the Aux. And Tezos is actually down just a bit from where we were before. So not having a whole lot of luck in all of this and not making any big moves. Let's go see what kind of happened over the last 24 hours and so you can figure out what's going on here. So the first one we need to look at is the XTZ. So if we go down right here, so we've got the XTZ. So if you remember, we bought at close to this point right here, the major decrease, that quick drop. Looks like things continued to go down from there, so maybe not the best buy point. There is still some potential there. So I think we'll continue to hold on to that one. Been holding it on to since the beginning, but we'll just continue to watch it. Chainlink here. The link, let's take a look and see what's happened here. So here is the point that we bought into. So looks like we could have made a little bit of progress earlier on in the day. That would have been a good point to sell, but we kind of missed that as far as the timing goes. So we're up to this point. So again, we're looking better, and we do have potential of even going up higher than that, where it's been at earlier in the week. Getting close to our moving averages, so we're probably in a good spot to continue to hold this one as well. Things do go down, and sometimes it takes a little bit for them to recover, but hopefully they will this time for us. Next one, the Aux, the ZRX. Let's take a look at that one as well. So again, we bought in, I think it was right here when there's a little bit of spike. So it did come up shortly after that, but it looks like we kind of missed that because afterwards it just slowly trended down. So I guess we weren't quite on top of it. It looks like if I waited another 30 minutes or so, we probably could have turned around, sold it right then, and made a little bit of a profit. But again, we're looking down, so we'll continue to probably hold on to this one for another day as well, just to kind of see what the market does, if we're going to start moving back up as things settle down after that pretty massive sell-off that all happened at the same time, which I find kind of interesting. I'd be curious on what the cause was on that. Just out of curiosity, I think we're going to take a look at that CGLD, because that one also had that similar drop off there, but looks like we did get out of it at the right time because we're down even further from when we sold it at. So probably a good time to get out of that one. And the comp as well, around that same time frame, it had that drop off. It looks like it's up from when we sold, but barely. So maybe we should have held on to that one, maybe not. I guess we'll just have to see in the next little bit. Just kind of keep an eye on those, but it's kind of too late now. For the potential of those, we're just going to watch these two. Not much to do today then, because we're just going to watch these numbers, watch these values for the next day. Come back in, check about the same time tomorrow, and see if we can't get these to bump up from where we were before. So, yeah, not a whole lot to do this time then. We're just going to hang on to these, continue to watch them, and hope for the best for tomorrow. So thanks for watching again, and let's check back in tomorrow and see if we made any money.